In this video, I am going to show you how you can update or upgrade Node.js version on Ubuntu Linux. Let me quickly show you my Ubuntu version first, and then I'll show you my Node.js version. So as you can see, I am using Ubuntu 22.04 and with the code name Jemmy. Let me clear this. Let me show you my Node version. So my Node version is 12.22.9. Now let's first install the tool N, which we will use to upgrade our Node.js version. And we will be using npm, the package manager of Node.js, to install this N. Let's run it. It says that let's quickly check what exactly it is saying. Okay, maybe just we need to use sudo here. Okay, so you can see that this time it was able to add it. That is good. And now in order to upgrade the Node version, just run and latest. Let's see if it runs with Ubuntu version. If not, we will use the sudo. Let me clear my screen and run it here so that you can also watch. Okay, so we would need sudo again because it is installing at the OS level. And there you go. That is done. And now let's check our Node version. We might have to reload it, but let's see. Okay, so we might have to reload the shell here. And to reload the shell, all I need to do is just run this exec bash. It reloaded it, and then when I ran this node-v, you can see that now it is showing me the latest Node version widget installed here as it showed above. So that's it, guys. This is how you upgrade your Node.js version on Ubuntu Linux. Thanks for watching. If you are still stuck or having any issues, let me know and I'll be happy to help. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.